placing it right on that bad boy. Take my thread and put it through the hole. Thread the hole. I'm going to take my thread and I'm going to place it between these two plates. Take bobbin, slide that thing on, the holes on the outside. Take the thread and I'm going to wrap it under and around. Round a couple of times. Holding on to the thread, take my finger, push it forward. Putting my foot on the pedal. Thread to the right. Remember that, very important. Pull it through that line. Then I'm going to wrap the thread under this plate. See? So it's going to be in between this J for Jasmine under the machine.